In this video we will cover ESPHome. ESPHome is a tool that allows you to manage ESP boards. These use an ESP32 or ESP8266 microcontroller to interface with external devices and sensors, such as temperature sensors. They allow you to create your own devices to control switches or sense the environment. The ESP32 is newer than the ESP8266. It has a faster processor and supports Bluetooth. The ESP32 can be used to add a Bluetooth proxy to Home Assistant. This will be covered in a future video. This is the first part in a series of videos on ESPHome. To work out which ESP device is best for you, you need to work out what you want it to do. The ESPHome website contains a lot of information about these devices and how to interface with other sensors and switches. The Wikipedia websites for both microcontrollers also contains technical information on both devices. If you need Bluetooth compatibility, the ESP32 device is recommended. If you don't need Bluetooth, then the ESP8266 is cheaper. Both devices are available from Amazon or AliExpress. Please find links in the description below. To install the ESPHome add-on from Home Assistant, click Settings, then Add-ons, then click Add-on Store. Find ESPHome and click on it. Click Install. Enable the watchdog and, if you wish, auto update and show in sidebar. Click Start. There is no configuration required. To add a new ESP device, either click ESPHome in the sidebar or open from the add-on. Click New Device. Read the information presented carefully. If you're not browsing over SSL, you'll need to connect the ESP device using USB to the device running Home Assistant. If you have an SSL connection, you can connect it to the device you're browsing from. We're not using SSL, so we'll click Continue. Type a name for the device into the name field. We'll call this ESPHome Test-1. If this is the first device you're connecting, it'll also ask you for your wireless network credentials. Enter them here. You'll be able to communicate with this device over Wi-Fi for future updates. Click Next. You'll be asked what device type you have. If you're not sure, the generic ESP32 or ESP8266 will work fine. If you click Pick Specific Board, you can pick your own if it's in the list. In this case, NodeMCU. Click Next. You'll now be presented with a summary screen. Connect your device if not already plugged in and click Install. If this is your first time connecting, select Plug into the computer running ESPHome dashboard, or plug into this computer if you're browsing over SSL. For later updates, you can do this wirelessly. Pick the relevant serial port and click. The installation will now start. This may take a few minutes to install. We have sped up this process. Once complete, you'll see Setup finished successfully partway up the screen in green text. When you see this, click Stop. You should see the device in the dashboard showing it's online. To add the device to Home Assistant, go to Settings and Devices and Services. You should see the device detected as shown here, with the name you provided. Click Configure. To confirm, click Submit. If you're asked for an API at this point, click the X and go back to ESPHome. Select the three dots within the device box and select Show API Key. From the following screen, click Copy, then Close. Go back to Settings, then Devices and Settings. Click Configure on the device again and paste in the API key. Click Submit. If all is well, you should see the success message. Click Finish. Click the device link to be taken to the device screen. It's a bit empty at the moment as we've not added any sensors or other configuration to the device. We'll do this in an upcoming video. Once added, any sensors, temperature, etc. will be shown here. Using sensors and switches, you can build your own devices to your own specifications. With multiple devices, you can set up a multi-sensor device per room. With an ESP32 device, you can set up a Bluetooth proxy to either extend Bluetooth range or add the facility if you don't have this. A number of ideas for projects will be covered in future videos. Thank you for watching. Please like this video if you liked what you saw. Please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. If you'd like to support the channel, please consider becoming a patron at my Patreon. The details are below.